I wanted to crack the secret of being able to put yourself into a state of flow, and not only that, but be there for an entire day. If you don't know what flow state is, it's basically when we feel our best and perform our best. Many people describe it as being sucked into what they're doing and that everything around them, distractions, worry thoughts, and even time itself simply vanishes. It's our brain selectively choosing where to channel its attention. In order to better understand what exactly I was getting myself into, I needed to learn more about what flow state exactly is. And that's when I stumbled across the correlation between extreme sports and mindfulness, the art of being perfectly present. According to author and flow expert Stephen Kotler, productivity and motivation can increase up to 500%. This was reflected by a McKinsey study. Creativity can spike anywhere between 400 and 700%, and learning can see an increase of 200%. More importantly, the people who are able to spend larger amounts of time in flow state are able to succeed in life and achieve true happiness. Peak performance? A meaningful life? What else could you want? I mean, now it's established. I know exactly what we're talking about, but the more difficult question arises. Where do I begin? Kotler was able to classify flow triggers under 5 dopamine-releasing categories: risk, novelty, complexity, unpredictability, and pattern recognition. So the funny thing is, last night as I was writing this video script and doing flow research, I realized that I was in flow. Time just rushed by and it was kind of a whirlwind of events. And then a few hours passed by and I was like, whoa, I gotta go to bed. It's like 3 in the morning. In therapy groups, I've learned about mindfulness and the importance of introducing some of those techniques into daily life. I thought that maybe by tapping into the things I've already learned there, it could help me to master being in a state of flow. But boy, was I wrong. Mindfulness techniques revolve around being in the present. Although it sounds like a match made in heaven, where mindfulness really shines is being able to identify when your attention diverts and when your thoughts drift. If you have to take the time to think about getting back into a flow state and you've realized that your attention has diverted, well then it's already too late. Fortunately, being in flow isn't exclusive to risking your life trying to do a triple backflip on concrete. There are some simple ways that you can weave these triggers into your daily life. Novelty, being a major trigger, has been easy to harness these days. With the coronavirus running rampant, school has made the transition to being completely online. As if on cue, today is the very first day of my online university classes. Being able to learn and engage with class material at home is not only something new for me, but it also makes it easier to cut out unnecessary distractions. Additionally, gyms are closed everywhere and my gains have been trembling for their lives. I needed to adjust my training schedule to make it fun, but still effective, and I needed to do it fast. So I haven't done parkour in an outside environment with a non-matted gym area in about, gosh, it's been like a year. But risk, novelty, complexity, and unpredictability, flow state's never been easier. So even though I failed miserably in being able to hold myself in a state of flow for an uninterrupted 24 hours straight, I certainly was able to find ways to add spontaneity to my day, which made it easier to be in flow. I've also roughly identified the culprits that took me right out of it. Let's go, baby. Distractions, distractions, distractions. For me, I'm an unmedicated ADHD person, and being able to concentrate on a single task or an idea for more than 20 minutes straight was impossible. Flow was out the window for me. Hunger was also a thing. The second that you have to stop, pay attention to your stomach growling at you, and figure out what you want to eat, bam, flow? What's that? And the biggest culprit was my phone. Notifications, calls, flashy icons, colors, and UIs stole my attention no matter how intentional I tried to be. Hey, how's it going? Oh, I'm working right now, just doing some work. That's fine. No, I can talk right now, yeah. Setting it to the do not disturb bought me about a half an hour, but then FOMO kicked in, wondering if I had any pressing notifications to attend to. And lastly, you can't flow in the shower. You just can't. So overall, I've enjoyed learning more about what makes flow so special and how we can implement it into our daily lives. It's going to be a long time before I'm able to channel it on command like an Avengers Endgame Hulk, but I certainly do look forward to improving at it every single day. Before we close out, I would like to direct your attention to my Patreon page. Currently, I'm curating content for it, and it's listed in the description below. In it, I post regular podcasts, interviews, and exclusive videos focusing on filmmaking, fitness, and lifestyle. If you'd like to support me, sign up for either of my tier options. It is greatly appreciated. So now that I've explained a little bit about my Patreon page and what it's about, we can talk about the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away $100 cash to one lucky winner. And there are a few things that need to happen before this giveaway can start. Since you guys already got my spiel on my Patreon page, go ahead and check it out. This giveaway will be exclusive to Patreon members only who are supporting me in either of my current tier options. If you sign up for my supporter starter pack, it's only $4 a month, and that will get you one entry into the giveaway. And for some future giveaways that I will be planning on doing, it will give you one entry as well. If you sign up for the video value pack for $10 a month, that will get you 3 entries into the giveaway and any future ones as well. But before I can tally up all the entries and select a winner, we need to have a minimum of at least 25 patrons supporting me on my page. So whether you guys want to share this video or share my Instagram post about it to help get people aware so that this giveaway can happen as soon as possible, that would be fantastic. If you've seen my post on Instagram, you might be wondering, well, how does the additional entry work? Well, since this is a Patreon exclusive giveaway, and I do explain on the post that by liking, tagging 3 friends, and sharing the post on your story, you will get an additional entry, meaning in addition to an entry that you would already have. You do have to be one of the 25 on my Patreon page in order for that to count towards an extra entry. So if you sign up for the video value pack, you can get a total of 4 entries if you do the Instagram thing. And if you sign up for the starter pack, you can get a total of 2 entries if you do the Instagram thing. But let's just go over it one more time. 25 supporters on Patreon. I will select a winner, pooling all of the entries from supporter starter packs and video value packs, in addition to the Instagram entries that I'm keeping track of. More details on how to accept the payment if you win will be listed on my Patreon page, exclusive to only those people who are contributing to my tiers. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. It can happen as soon or as not soon as you guys want. So feel free to help support me and my channel, my page. This is one way that I can keep creating content for you guys and put a lot of thought, effort, and time into it while keeping it ad-free. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go check out my Instagram page and the post I made on this giveaway. Like this video, share it with your friends if you found it interesting, and also just to get the information out there. Please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.